Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a scrump drink cup. So first let's get started with our straw. So in the middle we're going to draw in a curved line that arches around and then up. On the top we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then we're going to move down and replicate that, bringing that all the way around and then back up. Let's close this off on the top now with a curved line from left to right, arching that down. And then on the inside, we're just going to curve this line back around and then over. Now let's draw in the top of the cup. So we're going to curve this line around, arching that in. And then moving over on the right hand side, again, we're going to curve this line around and then back in, ending that at the same height. On the bottom now, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in our eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then moving down on a diagonal, we're going to draw in an even smaller circle for our left eye. On the right hand side now, we're going to draw 4 circles. So we're going to draw 1 circle on the top. Moving beside that on the right, let's replicate that. And then moving underneath on both sides, we're just going to replicate that. Now on our left eye on the top, we're going to curve this line out, back in. On the top left hand side again, we're going to curve this line around, back in. Underneath on the bottom, let's curve this line out, back up. And then to the right again, let's replicate that one more time. Now let's draw in the mouth. So coming over on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line out, down, around, back up, creating a small rectangle. And we're going to come across and do this. In the middle here, we're going to draw a rectangle on a diagonal. Underneath our left eye, we're going to curve this line out, down, around, back up. Coming further in towards the middle, we're going to draw in another rectangle on a diagonal. In the middle, we're going to draw it straight up and down. To the right, we're going to draw in a diagonal line. Moving underneath our right eye, again, drawing this on a diagonal. And then again, one more time, closing that off on a diagonal. Now from here, we're going to connect the whole mouth together with a curved line. So we're going to bring this line through. And then as we come up towards the middle, we're going to bring this up. And then back down as we come over towards the right. Now let's draw on the top. So on the side here, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the straw. For the bow on the top, we're going to curve this line out, back in. And then underneath on the bottom from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Let's move further out now. We're going to curve this line around, back in. And then again from that point, just curving this line around and then down. On the top, let's arch this line out, back in. Now in the middle, we're going to arch this line up as we get towards the top of the page, curving this line around, back in. We're going to flip over on the left-hand side, replicating that, arching that up, around, and then back in. To the right of this, coming down, we're going to arch this line up, back in. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around, back down and in. And then one more time coming across, we're going to curve this line up, around, back down. Now let's draw in the rest of the cup. So on the left hand side on the bottom, we're going to arch this line around and then back in on the side. On the bottom, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Stepping further in now, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes down. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom again with another curved line from left to right. On the top now, we're going to bring our straw through, so we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. Moving across again, let's replicate that, ending it at the same height. And then now from here on the bottom, we're going to close this off with a curved line, arching that down. And then from here again, we're just going to arch this line back around and then up. Underneath, for the liquid inside, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then in. And then we're going to continue to curve this line around, back down. And then again, one more time, curving this around, up and over towards the corner. And now let's draw in a circle beside that. Let's draw in a smaller circle as we come over towards the side. On the right, we're going to draw in another circle. A small circle as we come down. On the left of this, we're going to draw in another circle. And then a small circle as we come up. Moving over on the left-hand side now, we're going to draw in a half circle. And then just another small circle as we come up above that. And that is it. That's how you draw Scrump as a drink cup. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.